Hello guys, what's up? I hope you like my hat. I just bought it like in a vintage market. I travel in Thailand right now, so I'm filming you everything from my hotel room. And I asked on my Telegram channel. I have 500 subs, so I want you guys to choose what video you want to see next. And you chose how to set up a phone farm, which is really a subject that's close to my heart. For the last 2 years, I'm managing phone farm. I'm reseller with my provider, and it's worked pretty good. It's my second income besides AI models, and I'm gonna show you today everything you can do, and now you can set it up yourself. So yeah, if you're not in the Telegram channel by the way yet, so I suggest you to join. I have a lot of valuable tips there. Also lately I'm starting to analyze successful AI girls and their funnel, so you can copy paste to your own AI girl and actually see what's going on. For example, the last model I analyzed, she did 500k followers on Threads in the last 3 months, and all the key there is just the niche and consistency. Okay, so it's all you need to follow. So just don't be lazy, schedule everything, put the work down, and you're gonna get maybe similar results. But today we're going to focus on phone farming. Okay, so what is phone farming? We just take in real phones and we manage a lot of accounts, mostly by automation or VA. Okay, and we grow accounts. Why it's good? Let's go on the benefit. So low ban rate compared to S-Power or Anti-Detect. The big platform, Instagram, Tinder, Bumble, Facebook, they are fighting bots. Okay, when you see somebody connecting from Anti-Detect browser, doesn't matter how good they are. In the end, they understand something is not clear. They know it's not a real device, okay? They trust some time, but you need really good proxy and all of that. So it's the second option way to go. But when you go with real phone, this is just real. This is exactly like you have it on your phone. Have you ever opened like Instagram account or your personal account and you got banned immediately? Mostly not, because it's just more trust, okay? So you get higher trust score from the get-go, even if you open the new account, so it's really good. It's more stable, so for long term, you can manage it on your phone. If the proxy, have some problems or got shadow banned, we're not using proxy. We're using actual SIM you buy next to your store. In Thailand, I buy that in 7-Eleven. I pay $5 per month per SIM, and it's giving me anything I need. In your home country, it's really good, and it's long term. So this is you're searching for long term business, right? You don't want accounts that are getting banned every Tuesday or every Friday, right? So it's really a good opportunity if you're really serious about the business and you want to go full hard. And yeah, so the software that you can use to actually automate and build your own phone farm is called Automator. This tool, maybe most of the gurus and maybe don't even know it exists, and maybe some really big OF agency don't want me to tell you about it, but this tool is really great. It's supporting Instagram, Bumble, Tinder, Snapchat, Threads, and TikTok. And let's go to the website. Maybe you can see here. By the way, there's no any affiliate with them. I just love to give you value, guys, and I want you to experiment. I also experiment with this tool myself, and it's amazing. I tried Threads and I tried Tinder, and Tinder I actually just play with that for myself, and it was crazy, guys. I actually get dates. The AI talk with the girls. I just did it for fun until I got blocked, but I got blocked because I use my phone also, so they see that they're different locations, so that's the reason. But it's really impressive. So for Instagram, you have follow and follow. You can schedule all the content, share content from main to slave. So if you have main account, you can use slaves as well. As you can see, you can follow only male usernames. So it's for, of course, for OF or fan view. Story views, you can do warm up the account. So if it's Threads or Instagram, you can warm up the account. You can rotate the IP. So every new login or every session, we call this session. So every activity the account is doing, so you need to rotate the IP. So what is rotate is actually you toggle on airplane mode, and then you toggle on, and then you toggle off. So it's gonna change the IP address, simple as that. And then for Instagram, it's look like you are from new IP. So it's really important. So also the software do it by itself. Yeah. So I'm not gonna go all over. You can read if you want. So Their price is $45 for 3 phones. On each phone, we're gonna run 12 IG accounts or 12 Tinder accounts. You can choose, or you can run both, like Tinder and Instagram on one phone, like 12. It's okay. So how we actually run 12 Instagram accounts? You probably heard about app cloner, but it's not regular app cloner. We're gonna use something called Nomics cloner. This is they work with Automator, and I have also another solution. If you're interested, you can contact me in DM. It's not for free, but it can help you, and maybe more cheaper than app cloner. So we cloning the application, and each one will have different fingerprints on the background. You can change the phone the application sees. So if you're using Galaxy S10, for example, so with this app cloner, you can change to Galaxy S9. You can change the IMEI, you can change the GPS location. Everything will be separated, so Instagram think it's different device. We don't want them to think and know that we are doing everything from 12 accounts on one phone, all right? Yeah. So for $45, you can run 3 phones. Each one have 12 IG accounts or Tinder, whatever, and 36 accounts total. 36 accounts, okay, imagine you have for your AI model, they all go organic, they all go on real phone, the ban rate is low, higher trust score, boom, money. Okay, like simple as that. You schedule everything, you learn the software. They also have YouTube channel. You can just search for Automator, and they have really tutorials how to do everything, and you can ask their support. It's really good. Yeah. So how you actually get the phones? So you can buy on eBay, I think, or maybe on next store next to your place. Here in Thailand, I can buy anywhere. They have a lot of secondhand, but the price is just $110 for Galaxy S10, which is really recommend as Android phone for their software. And this is investment. Okay, this is asset. You can use it for yourself. You can use it when you're actually good at that. You can do it for other people. OF agencies, if you're really good at what you're doing, they will pay thousands of dollars to make it for them. Okay, because it's not to set up everything and put it, it's not that easy. But if you find out how to do it, so people would love to pay you a lot of money. So you can buy the Galaxy S10 on eBay, or you can rent. If you just started, you don't want to buy a phone, you just want to try, I suggest go to OnlyRent. They also work with them together. It's $20 per month for Galaxy S10, and you can connect from remotely the software, and you can run everything like it's next to you. So it's a real phone in full form, somewhere in Norway, I think. And it's really, really impressive. And you can just try with that at first. So yeah, it's look kind of like that. Let me see if I can move. Yeah. So yeah, phone farming, guys, is here to stay. Okay, like the platform fighting bots, fighting anti-detect browsers. You have to understand they want real users, and it's here to stay. If it's iPhone farming, if it's Android farming, that's the stable and the best way to go. Through the time, I like automation. It's pretty good. You can get a lot of traffic, but you understand the stable one is using VA and using automation or real phone. Okay. So we talked about using real SIM. You're gonna buy SIM next to your store, next to your house, sorry. And then you can create slaves and send traffic to your main account. You're gonna grow them. You're gonna publish reels. You can use Fusion to actually clone reels, or you can use other spoofer, whatever. And yeah, that's it. I think we talked about everything, right? So I would suggest you, if you really want to start and test, so just buy one phone maybe for $100, connect to this application. You can use only Windows, unfortunately, so you need to have Windows computer. And yeah, you just run it there. You're gonna see the account is rotate the IP. You choose the hours, and your Instagram account is gonna run one after one. And yeah, guys, you're gonna see insane results. And I highly suggest you just start working with Phone Farm. If you have any more questions, you can just comment me down below. If there is something I didn't answer in this video, so you can also ask down below, and I would love to answer. And if you feel like you a little bit confused and something not clear, you feel like your journey with your AI model is not going the right way, and you want to make quick move, and you actually want to make money, because we're not here to waste time, So you can feel free to contact me on my Telegram. I have mentorship already. More than 15 people join and start to make money. So you can join as well if you're interested, if you find value in my videos. And yeah, I'm happy to give you this value, and see you on the next video. Peace.